Okay, mga kaibigan, welcome sa another episode ng Miss Equities. You can call me Coach Claire. I'm your licensed stockbroker. I'm an educator and a development worker. I will be your host sa loob ng isang oras. Ang Miss Equities po ay talk show tungkol sa stock market trading at investing. Many Filipinos kasi po are interested in stock market but they do not know how to start. Hindi daw kasi madaling maintindihan dahil masyadong dynamic at terminology ang stock market. Medyo may pagka-elitista din. Ang impression ng madami, pang mayaman lang daw, hindi madaling lapitan at intimidating ang description ng madaming tao sa stock market. It's confusing, sabi ng iba, at agree tayo dyan. Kaya nga dedicated ang Miss Equities para sa kanila and we will try to explain stock market investing and trading in simplified terms. Usap in popular language din tayo or tag-lish para mas masarap ang kwentuhan. Hopefully, habang nag-enjoy tayo mag-aral via talk show, ma-address naman natin yung concerns ng investing public para makapag-start sila sa stock market trading at investing without fears. So tonight, today, ang inquiring guest natin ay from the investing public ay isang Pilipina immigrant sa Toronto, Canada siya. Taga Toronto, Canada siya ngayon. So dito sa Pilipinas, taga Valenzuela, Metro Manila siya. At ang main question niya ay pwede ba daw siyang mag-invest sa Philippine stock market kahit nasa Canada siya at immigrant siya doon? At paano daw ba yon? So, siguro pwede na nating tawagin. Flash natin muna ang kanyang question. Ito actually, I'm an immigrant. Can I still invest in the Philippine stock market? And how? So, yon. So, let's call in si Miss Emma Toledo. Hello! Hello!
Hi!
Kamusta ang Canada?
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. Okay naman. Kumusta?
Okay naman dito. So you're still syempre no, mahal mo ang Pilipinas kaya interested ka pa rin mag-invest sa Pilipinas. So gaano ka na ba katagal nasa Toronto? Nakita ko yung mga pictures mo sa FB mo eh. In-stalk kita. Nag-i-stalk talaga ako ng mga FB ng mga guest ko. So
okay lang.
Ayan.
Naman.
Mukhang this one is mga early days mo eh, no? About this one is the very famous Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls, yeah.
Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Very famous. And bali ilang taong ka na dito sa sa Toronto?
I've been here since 2001, so more or less mga 20
years na.
20 years.
Dalawang dekada na, no? Ang ganda ng...
That was in the US. Actually, border of... the background was US and it was in Canada. It's Simcoe area. Simcoe area.
Oo, so pwede na languyin na lang yan papunta Amerika. Bangkain na lang natin mukhang malapit yan. Gano'ng kalapit na lang yan sa yung border? Parang tulay lang yata yung nyo eh, yung
pagitan. 200 na hinga.
Andun ka na. Pwede bang medyo tumakbo ka na lang pag meron ng may mga dyan sa border. But anyways, is this part of the yung...
Oh yeah, that's way back sa north. It's in it's a 4 hours drive from Toronto, this area.
Okay. So, and I can see that mga Pinoys doon very, ano ba to? May rally ba?
It's a project, Walk for the Poor.
Talaga?
Guys, yeah.
So, ano mga civic activities nyo?
Yes. During
anyways, okay. So, okay, sige. Tanong ko lang, Miss Emma, bakit mo naman gustong mag-invest sa Pilipinas pa? Pwede ka naman mag-invest sa Canada. Mas malaking market nyo dyan, di ba?
No, if you're on the, medyo retirement period na pag malapit, you need to find a way. A lot of mga Filipino, who are also Canadian citizen, they tend to go back sa root. You know what I mean?
Oo, oo, bumabalik
So,
talaga 'no?
kailangan mo rin ng isang side, although secure ka upon your retirement here, but if you want to stay in the Philippines, pag matanda ka na, balik ka sa bayang tinubuan, di ba?
Oo, oo,
So,
puwede.
kailangan mo rin ng anything that will make you feel secure.
Oo, ma-sustain, 'di ba? Oo, mag-enjoy sa retirement.
Yes.
Iba yung retirement, benefit mo diyan, iba yung retirement mo dito. So, while you can still
Yeah.
do it, why not, 'di ba? Oo nga naman. So, okay, sige, sige. Ano bang alam mo sa Philippine market natin? Nung umalis ka sa Pilipinas, may alam ka na ba sa stock market natin dito?
Wala. Ang background ko lang is during university.
Mm.
Well, I'm studying, but I'm not really into that kasi parang pang ano lang yan, elite. Those who
Tama
have
nga yung
so much
description ko.
money. Yeah.
Oo nga, yan talaga yung popular ano. But mamaya masusurprise ka dun sa sabihin ko sa iyo kung na hindi naman siya talaga ganun. Well, kasi yung mas aware sa ano sa stock market is well the ano yung upper ang tawag dyan sa social class is sila
Because
kasi
that's investment.
yes.
And even here in Canada, it only belongs to a certain percentage, hindi bigger percentage. But right now, yung trend is, even kasambahay
Mm-mm.
can make an investment and secure their future. So, why not look into that, di ba?
Oo nga. O sige, I think I need to ano to start from the very beginning parang just to introduce to you kahit mga pahapyaw lang. So, it actually this one is ito yung bagong station or office ni Philippine Stock Exchange. Nasa ano yan? Nandito yan sa kanto or corner ng 5th at 28th Street sa BGC. Pag pumasok ka sa loob niyan, ganito yung lobby niya. Pero ang office nila dyan ay like selected floors lang. So, si Philippine Stock Market, right, ngayon ay meron siyang over 125 brokers. So, yung 125 brokers na yun ang member broker ni Philippine Stock Exchange. Na kapag magte-trade ang mga tao, hindi sila pupunta kay stock exchange, pupunta sila kay brokerage firm which is connected to sa PSE kasi nga members nila yon. So
And
ganyan
which
ng
is that
ganyan ang set.
you?
Well, stockbroker, okay. Ako is a stockbroker, but yung member broker is the owner or
Ah,
the stock brokerage firm.
okay.
So I trade with them with the stock brokerage. Right now I'm connected with 12 stocks. Tapos 125 brokerage firms ang meron sa Pilipinas na member ni Philippine Stock Exchange. So tapos yung mga services ni broker firms, hindi lahat kasi may ano may online eh. So for people who are very far, for example, abroad o kaya even nasa mga provinces dito sa Philippines, they do online trading. So ang meron mga uh, brokerage firms na may trading facility, may online trading facility, yan, mga yan. Siguro mga ilan to, mga 30 plus, ilan ba sila? Yan, mga ganyan, 30 plus, 32 stock brokers out of 125, 32 of them, meron silang online facility. So when you want to enroll with any of them, well, you can actually enroll with one of the 125 brokers or you can actually enroll in all of them. Kaya lang syempre, di ba, nakaspread ka. So, out of 125, meron tayong 32 na may online. So, pwede kang pumili dyan kung kanino ka mag-trade. So, you may be wondering, paano naman mag-start? Okay. Initially, of course, like anything, magre-register ka muna. So, pakita ko lang sa iyo yung sample ng CAIF, Customer Account Information Form. So, every broker or yung 125 brokerage firms na yun, may mga ganyan sila. Papapirmahan sa incoming investor, and then yan na yung registration mo. So for foreigners, or you're considered, you're a citizen, right? Canadian
Yeah,
citizen.
yeah.
Okay. So you're considered a foreigner, so matatag yung investment mo as foreign investment. So, meron ditong part, especially pag US citizen, meron dito mga questionnaires about foreign account tax compliance, act disclosures or FATCA. So, nire-report yan ng brokerage firms from here. So,
May I add, if you are a dual citizen, how will it affect?
it's easier. It's easier because you can be able to provide your Philippine TIN, yung mga ibang mga documents. Easy lang naman din yung mga
Would you
requirements
suggest it's better to do that?
na dual citizen.
Yeah.
I'm not very sure if I know that side.
Okay.
Oo, hindi ako expert. So, well, I don't know if you can, ang impression ko is you can get both,
Yeah.
parang you can enjoy both, benefits,
Citizenship. Yeah.
citizenship, parang ganyan. Anyway, so, yung sinasabi kong mga stocks, if you can see this, parang ano to parang yung trading floor to ng Philippine market natin. Ngayon wala na siya talagang board. Dati kasi may electronic board ang stock exchange natin. Ngayon meron na lang siya ticker. So yung ticker, pag open ang trading, umaandar tong may mga ilaw na mga numbers tsaka pangalan ng mga listed companies. So umaandar yan paikot-ikot, ganyan. So makikita mo diyan yung mga prices, tsaka yung mga kung ano yung tinitrade, prices, number of shares, ganyan. Sila yung mga listed companies naman. Itong nakikita mo dito sa nagkalat sila. Ano kaya yung siguro may event. Normally hindi ganyan ka nakatayo ang mga tao sa trading floor. Nakaupo lang sila. So I think this is may isang event. So ito parang workstation ng mga brokers katulad ko. Now, kapag mag-o-order ka sa kanila, kapag broker assisted ka, tatawag ka sa telepono, matatanggap nila, or pag online, makikita nila, pag online kasi ikaw mismo nakaka-execute pero nagmo-monitor din sila. So, ganyan yung yung itsura. So, right now, pandemic, ganyan na itsura.
Social
So,
distancing.
social distancing plus kapag may lockdown,
Oh,
hindi rin
yeah.
sila bukas ng trading floor. So, ganyan. So, ang nangyayari ngayon is, advantageous talaga na may online because yung mga offices, even the exchange. So, naka-work from home. Pero sa exchange kasi may
Oh,
skeletal force. Pero yung mga brokerage
oh,
firms, meron din silang mga offices. Yung iba, I know, some of them are staying in the hotel, nandoon na lahat ng mga employees nila because, hindi na sila lumalabas. Ganun,
oh.
ganun yung setup ngayon.
But
It's,
it doesn't stop continuous ang
yes, continuous and trading. Mm.
okay.
Nako, patay pag huminto. But anyway, so, syempre, pagkatapos mong mag-register, no? So, okay na. Bibigyan
Yeah.
ka nila ng code. So, ito yung client code mo, so you can already start trading. Kapag online ka, pwede ka mag-trade on your own, pero lahat ng trades mo nakikita ng broker na kung saan ka nag-sign up. Ganon.
Okay.
But you can execute sa online. Ang sample kasi kapag ganun, bibigyan ka na nila ng, pag na-approve na yung account mo, no, bibigyan ka nila ng code, client code,
Mhm.
at saka yung brokerage firm, pag meron siyang online facility, bibigyan ka rin nila ng trading application, trading app. Yung ginagamit ko sa PhilStocks is ganito itsura.
Okay.
So you can trade from there. Makita mo dyan yung mga stocks na pipiliin mo, magkano presyo. Tapos you can see other information as well. Yung portfolio mo, yung what else? Yung kung magbabay ka, meron din, you just click the buy, the sell, the request, mga ganyan. So you can actually do everything in your app. So pwede mo yan dalhin kahit sa telepono mo lang. So anywhere in the world, you can already trade. That's the beauty of online.
Okay.
So ganon. So yung process, actually yung pag-start sa stock market, it's very easy. Ang pinakamahirap talaga dyan is stock picking. Madali lang bumili, pero para bumili ka
Yeah.
at magbenta ka with a profit, yun yung mahirap gawin. So,
Is that the scary part?
well, sort of, ganyan, pero it's not too scary kapag marunong ka. So, my advice for newbies is kahit pa paano, mag-aral ng basic para at least uh,
Okay.
nag-improve. Just like in anything, kung ano papasukan mo, di ba?
Uh-huh.
You have to be
Yeah.
at least informed. Pero, uh, for some people, okay, alam na nila yung basic, etc. They don't need to be they don't need to know analysis, ganyan. So, ang pwedeng gawin mo is to find a good broker
Okay.
kasi importante maganda rin yung relationship mo with your broker. So, halimbawa kakilala tayo. So you can approach me, can you be my agent, etc. Can I trade with under you? Pwede. So ang pwede natin gawin, pero sasabihin mo sa akin, okay, gusto ko lang under you, pero I want to see my app. I want to see kung anong ginagawa mo sa account ko. Parang ganon. So,
Okay.
pwede yon. Meron kang viewing but you cannot transact there. Ang magta-transact pa rin is yung agent mo, yung trader mo. Now, if you
Okay.
want full online, so may viewing ka, may execution ka. So
Okay.
you can still be under my clientele, pero ma-manage mo. So pag may problema ka, pwede mo akong i-message or tawagan, oh, I can't seem to know what I'm going to do with this, etc. Mag-a-advise ako. Ganon.
Okay.
So, sa mga ibang mga brokerage firm kasi, ibang-iba na talaga yung takbo ngayon dahil sa online, mura lang yung transaction fees mo, pero wala kang guide.
Yeah.
Imagine you're a newbie, you're trading on your own, baka you'll click everything that moves. baka pag gumagano, click mo
Uh,
lang siya, di ba? Ganyan. Matutunaw pera mo doon. Well, may tiyempuhan naman pag naswertehan mo. Kaya lang, ganun lang yung magiging laro mo, yung magiging action mo, swertihan lang. Pero dapat talaga marunong ka. So, kung hindi,
Question.
okay.
How long will it take for you to be confident in the trading business? To
Ay,
learn?
it
How
doesn't take
long?
long. It doesn't take long. If you have like a day para makipag-usap, para mag-aral lang ng basic ng stock market, papakita lang naman sa'yo how it works. Halimbawa, the intricacies of the market. May ganito, yung organization ng exchange, may exchange dito, may regulator dito, may listed company dito. Medyo tama yung kaninang yung spiel ko, yung initial yung sinasabi ko, 'di ba? Because yun ang normally sinasabi ng mga tao. That's why a lot of people ina-avoid nila. Gustong-gusto nila, curious sila. Kaya yung iba nagja-jump dun sa mga apps lang. Tapos
Yeah.
nag-trade lang sila. Kapag nalugi sila, tapos hindi pa rin nila alam kung bakit sila nalugi, saka lang humihinto. Tapos saka pa lang mag-aaral. Mas maganda, simula pa lang, aralin mo na.
Uh,
Ganyan, oo.
they
At
are
least,
doing the hard lesson, hard way.
and costly.
Yes.
Costly yung mga errors niyan eh. So what you can do is, okay, so halimbawa nasa Canada kayo, busy, ganyan-ganyan, at least alam mo, the first thing dapat kasi alam mo naman kung kanino mo binibigay yung money mo. Halimbawa, ako representative ako ng broker ko. So, lahat, kahit anong sabihin ko sa'yo, ang perang ibibigay mo, hindi mo ibibigay sa akin. Ibibigay mo sa brokerage firm.
Okay.
So, yun ang number one talaga. Wag mong ibibigay ang pera mo sa tao, sa company, dapat. Sa
Okay.
stockbroker, sa brokerage firm. Pero magandang meron kang agent or trader sa Pilipinas kasi hindi binabayaran ang broker or trader. Kaya mahihirap lang ang mga broker dito, ang mga trader dito. Walang bayad kami. Ang bayad lang namin, the way we make money is it will depend on the brokerage firm. They will split the commission or they'll give us a percentage. Depende sa usapan. Depende sa contract. Ganyan lang. Hindi katulad sa ibang bigger markets, they have revenues meron kang additional payment sa kanila based on the income that you're going to produce out of that investment. May ganon dito wala.
How much will be the initial investment?
Okay, sige, punta tayo diyan. Okay, yung process muna, no?
Yeah.
Tapos yan, okay. Yung process mo okay, alam mo na that you need to find a broker, no? So, out of 125, pwede kang pumunta sa directory ni Philippine Stock Exchange, makikita mo lahat ng broker doon, pero advice ko sa'yo, dapat at least kilala mo. May kilala ka man lang sa loob.
Okay. Yeah.
So, kilala mo na ako. Sa akin ka na lang mag-trade. Hindi naman. You can still find kung sino may mga broker. Kasi kung halimbawa, hindi mo nagustuhan yung service ng isang broker, you can transfer pagkatapos mong i-trade yung
I think the basic will be trust, right?
oh yes, trust, ganyan. Kasi then, kasi then maraming if you don't trust your broker or your agent, medyo challenging kasi when trading is running tapos nag-execute kayo, yung mga ganun, marami kang may encounter na mga issues or what ganyan. So that's why kaya enjoy ako doon sa mga kliyenteng marunong. Tuturuan ko muna sila bago sila maging kliyente, parang ganun. Anyways,
That's a good mission, for you to do.
yung iba libre, yung iba with tuition fee, with learning fee kasi mahahaba na yung iba eh. So yun. Pag
Yeah,
mga
and besides, it's your specialty. So before anybody can, malaman yung at a pinky of your knowledge, it will really take time because napakatagal mo na dyan sa field na yan, sa business na yan. So you are considered an expert as far as trading is concerned, right?
Oo, tsaka mas maganda yung may nagtuturo, shorten mo yung learning curve mo. Imagine experience
Mm.
binibigay sa'yo, di ba?
Yeah.
Anyways, okay. Yung number 2 mo is, ayun nga, nag-register ka na as a client. Yung number 3 mo, yan na yung stock picking mo, no? So, as you can see from this illustration, yung pwede kang mag-online, pwede ka rin with broker assisted. Now, settlement. Okay. So, ang settlement is, well, para ka lang naman naka-long distance kahit nasa nasa abroad ka. So, wire transfer is okay. So, madali na lang din yung settlement na yun.
Okay.
Stock exchange. Sa brokerage firms. So, pagkatapos nun, magbabayad ka na, so you're done. You're ready for the next stock to trade and or either that or you sell the stocks that you first bought. Parang ganon. So, ang mangyayari niyan, kung halimbawa hindi ka magbebenta, okay, ubos na yung initial money mo. Ang opening of fund is 5,000 the smallest. So, ang requirement mo is
Pesos.
Yes, 5,000 pesos lang. Ang requirement mo is basic ang application form, filled up application form, government ID, tsaka deposit your trading fund. So, when you deposit your trading fund, mapoprocess na yan if you deposit the smallest, 5,000. So, hindi ka pa rin naman magte-trade eh. So, kung magte-trade ka na, then if it's more than 5,000 trading, then you deposit first. Kapag online, that's prepaid when you trade. So, ibig sabihin, pag wala kang pera sa account mo, hindi ka makaka-trade. Pag broker assisted, yung unang transaction mo should be prepaid because that's opening of account. Yung pangalawang transaction mo and mga succeeding, settlement date is T plus 3, meaning the transaction date plus 3 days. So you have 4 days. On the 4th day, you can settle. So it's okay. You can, for me, you can buy time kapag pag ganun yung settlement. So online is prepaid ang settlement. Broker assisted is postpaid. So ang difference is online is you manage your own account, you trade through your app, and then broker assisted is you have a trader that will that you can give your order to and execute your orders. Ganon. So ganun, yun na yung proseso, madali lang. You can finish it in like in an hour kung talagang ipo-process mo. Now, sa stock picking, ang pinaka-quick na pwede kong ituro sa mga tao is eto. So, we have 340 listed companies, and out of that 340 companies, nakasubdivide yan sa anim na sector. So, financial sector, industrial sector, holdings, property services, and mining and oil. So, under yung sa financial sector, mga bangko yan. Mga bangko and other financial services. Under the industrial sector, mga electricity, energy, power, water, food, beverages, tobacco, construction, chemicals. So, depende sa'yo kung halimbawa kung saan mo, by that alone, by knowing that, you can already say, gusto ko ng telecom, ay gusto ko ng food, ay gusto ko ng ganito. Magpipili ka ng
Oh,
industry mo,
okay.
di ba? O, di ba? Mas
Yeah.
madali, right? So, yung mga nasa property, syempre real estate and developers yun. Yung mga nasa services, andyan ng telecoms, transport, hotel, education, casinos, retail,
Okay.
other services. Yung holdings, yun yung mga conglomerates. So, yung mga companies that that doesn't have businesses but uh, manage their other businesses. Halimbawa, si Ayala Corporation. So lahat ng businesses ni Ayala Corporation nandyan. Meron kasi silang bago ngayon, Ayala Holdings. I don't know what's
Mhm.
under Ayala Holdings, pero Ayala Corporation for the longest time has been its holding company. So minamanage niya lahat ng mga Ayala group of companies. So the way it makes money is meron siyang percentages dyan sa mga na ownership dyan sa mga minamanage niya, and that's the component or the assets that you are buying when you buy Ayala Corporation. Parang ganun.
Oh, okay. So depending on the company, does that depend also kung how much is the trading cost, or I mean not trading cost but the investment that you're putting in, depending on
Oo.
the company?
Yes,
Okay.
bawat isang ano, tama. Bawat isang company kasi iba-ibang price, 'di ba? Yung
Yes.
mga conglomerates, yung mga big companies, mga blue chips tawag nila is normally mas expensive 'yan. Mas mahal siya in terms of price. Not naman
Yeah.
we're talking of two prices dito kasi sa stock market. The price is what you pay, the value is what you get. So
Okay.
that's how you analyze the price when you buy. So magkano ba 'to? Mura ba siya ngayon? Mahal ba siya ngayon? Yan ina-analyze diyan. Inuupuan yan. Titingnan mo kung paano siya ginagawa. Parang ganun. That's what you
Okay.
call fundamental analysis. So para pag
Okay.
malaman mo, 'di ba? Prices, lahat yan presyo. For example, piso yung stock, mura piso, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Versus 100 pesos. Pero pag tiningnan mo yung 100 pesos, ang value niya is pwedeng 120. You are so kita ka pa. You are receiving 120, you're paying 100. Ganon, 'di
Okay.
ba? In
Yeah.
real, in real terms. Pero yung halimbawa piso, piso binabayad mo tapos pala ang value niya is 0.05 lang.
Okay.
Pwedeng
So,
ganon.
yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
why you have to really like, sa presyo ng stock mo kasi dun pa lang sa pagbili mo, ah, pag nabili mo siya ng mahal, most likely malulugi ka na dun kasi the market will definitely find its price slowly,
Yeah.
or either slowly or mabilis. It really depends on the situation of the market, or the performance of the market, yung paligid ng merkado.
So, sa mga newbies like me, gina-guide mo sila if you are going to be the like
The trader. Trader.
trader for
Oo.
them.
Yes, yes.
That's what you do because
Oo,
that's your expertise. So that way, uh, new investors, newbies like me, will be confident enough to invest in the stock market kasi you are
I guide.
parang a teacher, 'di ba? In this field na hindi ka pababayaan. You're the ano eh, 'di ba when as far as my understanding is concerned, 'di ba pagka nag-i-invest ka, you have a piggy bank, ano? You put money into it, pero in sa trade, it's not constant, no, not isang bagay lang. You put money in to make your money earn more money. to
Mm-hmm.
get profit. That's why you go into trading, right?
Investing,
Parang ikaw yung ano what do you call that? Ikaw yung magbibigay ng way sa mga tao na gustong pumasok,
oo.
na matulungan sila, na makita nila muna, oh, this is where how your money will grow, di ba?
Oo,
Kasi
pwedeng gano'n.
nowadays, hindi nila maintindihan. I know that kasi hindi ko rin maintindihan. Overwhelming yung information.
Oo.
So, but if I am really I'm talking about myself. I really am interested in doing this, no? Pero parang overwhelming yung information, these companies, those
Oo,
sectors that you're talking about.
oo.
Hindi mo malaman in a layman's
Term.
term na, oh, this is good. Siyempre, real property is good, booming,
Oo,
but sometimes
oo,
mabagsak. So parang
oo,
hindi yung services, and sometimes, pero parang maganda yung sa energy kasi although bumabagsak din siya, di ba? Ano yung pinaka-secure na pwede mong pasukan? Pwede kang bumili, makipag-trade. Anong sector, sa palagay mo? Ano yung pwede?
kung secure in terms of investment, walang answer diyan. Pero
Okay.
ano, pero actually lahat naman sila. So, ang pwede mong bilhin, meron akong listahan dito. These are selected because these are included in the computation of index. So kapag ibig sabihin kapag na-included sila sa index, na-screen na yan ng PSE. May committee kasi na nag-i-screen ng kung anong mga stock ang isasali nila sa computation ng index. If you know the index is parang Dow Jones sa
Yeah.
Amerika, dito is PSE index. Now, aside from PSE index, may sub-indices pa yung mga industries like financial sector, meron
Yeah.
siya sa index. So, ganon. So, once na nasama yung company dyan sa computation ng index na yan na yung, sila na yung medyo blue, bluer than the others na dun sa sector
Okay.
nila. So we have the PS index, that's the main index. Yan ang broad indicator ng Philippine stock market. Kapag if somebody asks you what happened to the market today, you will look at the PSE index and you will tell them we are down or we are up 100 points equivalent to 1%, something like that. Tapos, sabihin sa'yo, sinong nagdala, bakit umakyat? O, pwede kong tingnan yung iba-ibang, yung anim na sector, kung ano nangyari sa mga index nila. So, yung mga companies dito for you, I actually created this list. So, papakita ko sa iyo yung nakasali sa computation ng financial index, which are
Mhm.
considered, ito na yung mga the best sa sector na yan. So, sa financial sector yan, BDO, BPI, China Bank, East West Metro Bank, Philippine National Bank, RCBC Security Bank, Union Bank. Lahat ng mga stocks na yan, under financial sector, kasama yan sa index ng financial sector. So, pwede ka mamili
Okay.
dyan. So,
So,
ang pag-uusapan na lang natin dyan is lahat sila okay, pero sinong pinakamahal? Pero sinong pinakamura? Yun na yung mag-involve yung analysis. Pero right, yung ibang mga investor, by just investing, looking, yung experience nila on the prices, ang galing mag-trade. Kasi na-experience na nila, nag-highest yan ng ganito, nag-lowest yan ng ganito. At that price mura siya, at that price mahal siya. Alam nila. But of course, para medyo mas sigurado ka, titingnan mo yung ano ba nangyayari sa loob ng kumpanya. Ano ba yung balance sheet niya, ano ba yung income statement niya, ano ba yung cash flow niya, doon mo makikita. So,
okay.
medyo may skill na nire-require. Pero doon, kapag inaral mo yan, hindi naman kailangan finance ka, accounting ka, ganyan. Basta't alam mo lang gamitin yung mga data na makikita mo sa mga stock na to. Kasi available yung mga data eh.
Quick question. Recently lang, I read in the news here in Canada na I don't know if he's the owner. I don't know if you've heard. Yung sa Tesla.
Okay, si ano,
Yes.
si
So
Guapo.
you're aware na they said, oh, you can only put in $250 into it. And then, kumikita na sila. Parang, ano naman yun, too good to be true. Is it really?
Tesla? The Tesla stock?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, he invested money into it. Doon ka, yeah, of course, coming from him, that's where you trade, di ba? Pero they are talking about cryptocurrency. Medyo confusing sa akin yung
Magkaiba
cryptocurrency.
'yon. Magkaiba sila.
Okay, okay,
Tesla
okay.
is listed company.
Yeah.
Ah, Sino nga may Tesla? Nakalimutan ko. Si ano, who's the owner of Tesla? Ano ba? Nakalimutan
But
ko
it's a
kasi.
different kind of thing.
Yeah, cryptocurrency and stocks, magkaiba yan. But parehong
Okay.
tinitrade. More or less the same
Oh,
analysis kasi pwede ka naman mag ano, mag ang tawag dyan, technical analysis sa cryptocurrency, and it's beginning to be popular. It's traded now based on popularity.
oh, okay.
Kasi
Because you're
pag
making money out of it?
it's yes, kasi tinitrade. And it's legal also. You can trade that.
Oh, okay.
So ganon. And okay. So anyways, so
Mhm.
magkaibang market sila.
Okay.
Meron kasi ding game ngayon na para siyang internet game siya. Uh, they they do it like trading, and it's based on the prices of cryptos,
Oh,
cryptocurrencies.
okay.
So, may ganun. Iba naman 'yon. Nako, sobrang popular na ngayon. Puro bata yung gumagawa ng. Anyways, so stock market, ang
Mm.
dami na nangyayari sa financial world, pero hindi pa rin lahat naiintindihan yung stock market. So, hindi regulated yung, well, right now, hindi ko alam kung anong percentage ng regulation sa crypto, kasi supposed to be ang cryptocurrency is being traded without intermediaries. So, walang
Oh,
it.
okay.
So, ano lang yan, online. So, blockchain technology siya. Now, I think Federal Reserve is slowly getting into it. Parang nagagawa na sila ng guideline. Ganyan. Pero sa stock, that's a completely different market. Sa mabilis
Oh,
talaga 'yon, tsaka malaking market.
yeah.
It's 24/7 actually. So,
Yeah.
tong sa stock market natin is mas regulated siya. May intermediaries, may bangko, may settlement banks, may SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, may PIR, ano pa ba? May Bangko Sentral because there are listed companies na bangko. Kaya
So
tapos
there are rules and
exchange pa.
regulation to
Yes,
follow.
yes.
Okay.
Kaya pinaka regulated talaga stock exchange, I believe. So yung ganon.
Okay. Hindi siya
Uh,
malaking gamble sa casino.
well, really depends on how you're going to do it eh. Sa stock market
Okay.
kasi maraming speculative din. So when it's speculative, it's really like you speculate. So it's more of gambling in a way. So kung investing mabilis pati ang trading nun. So if investing ang gagawin mo, you are buying a different group of companies. Yung speculative stocks, ibang grupo 'yan. Yung pang-investment, ibang grupo din 'yan. When you
Okay.
are trading daily, when you are
Mhm.
trading very fast, that's not investing. That's trading. When you
Oh, okay.
buy, accumulate, you wait for the
Yeah,
dividend,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
that's investing. So, ganon. So, what you want is investing, of course.
yeah.
Ano bang plano mo? Panggastos mo dito sa Pilipinas pag umuwi ka.
Yeah, one of those.
Oo, no? Kasi ang daming gastos pag umuwi mga balikbayan eh. So, yun,
Oo,
pwede naman.
kailangan malaki yung bulsa mo tsaka maraming laman dahil pagbalik mo dito, ubos na lahat.
Sa lahat,
Pupunuin mo na naman yung bulsa, yung malaking
kaya dapat para mag-enjoy at hindi nag-iisip ng gastos, dapat naka-prepare na, no? Sige, through stock market,
yes.
pwede naman, I think pwede. Especially if you're planning like um, you're planning 2 years ahead, 3 years ahead, pwede mong gawin. Medyo long term na yun,
Understood.
mid-term na yun. Okay. So, dun sa financial, dun sa, tapos na pinakita ko na sa iyo yung financial sector, no? Pwede ka mamili sa mga stock na yan. Sa industrial sector, mas madami sila, mga 26. So, andyan dyan ang pinaka-popular dito, sino bang mga kilala mo dito? Si Jollibee, kilala mo. Si Maxis,
Yeah,
kilala mo. Manila
yeah.
Electric Company, di ba kilala mo yan? Manila Water,
Narrow.
Petron, kilala mo Shakey's, kilala mo yung mga yan. So yan, you can trade their stocks. So
Okay.
while sa holding sector, ito yung mga malalaki Ayala Corporation, Aboitiz, Equity Ventures, Alliance Global Group. So if you know McDonald's, sila yung nag-handle ng franchises ng McDonald's, ang Alliance Global. You have Ayala Land Logistics, yung iba, GT Capital Holdings is Metrobank Group yan, JG Summit is Gokongwei yan, Lopez Holdings, Lusiatan Group, Metro Pacific is Pangilinan Group, and SM, of course, si mga T family. Uh,
So,
mm,
sa yung nasa what do you call that? Holdings group, yung mga
ayan.
conglomerate, is that
Yes.
secure? Industrials? No.
In a
Yeah.
way, well, if you're going to compare it with other stocks, yan na yung pinaka matatag. I
Oh,
don't want to
okay.
use the word secure. Matatag sila in a sense na sa laki nila, pag nauga yung economy natin, sila yung pinakahuling
Ah, okay.
mauga.
Get it.
Ganon. Tapos, sa laki rin nila, they can outlive us. Kumbaga, patay na tayo, buhay pa yan, mga companies na yan. They're so big, alam mo naman, company may continuing
Okay.
life yan. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Oo, 'di ba? So services sector, marami din malalaki dito. Andito yung mga television studio, ABS-CBN, GMA network, ganyan. Andito yung pinakamalaking telecoms. Well, dalawa lang ng malalaking telecoms natin, Globe and PLDT. So ano pa ba meron
Mhm.
dito? Malaki. Yung iba is, well, mas maliit sa kanila, Rodrigo. Anyways, for oil sector naman, yan naman mga oil sector mo. So, yun. So, actually, kapag yung sa buy-sell strategies ang pinag-usapan natin, marami kang panggagalingan, kaya dapat talaga upuan talaga to. So, ang style, siyempre bibili ka, no? Sa stock picking pa lang, meron ka ng gagamitin dapat na strategy para piliin yung stock mo.
Mhm.
Sa stock picking pa lang yon. Ngayon sa analysis, trading analysis, may pipiliin ka ring style ng analysis. And then
Mhm.
sa position sizing, papag-aralin mo rin kung paano magkano bawat isang action mo dun, isang bili mo, isang benta mo, kung paano ka puposisyon, ilan, mga ganon, gaano kadalas, mga ganon. So, kapag very active ka, yun ang problema mo. Pero kapag yung katulad ng style mo, na gusto mo lang mag-ipon na mag-ipon, pag uwi mo dito, ibebenta ko lahat yan kasi gagastusin ko siya, well, pwedeng ipunin mo isang stock lang o kaya, you're not selling, buy ka lang ng buy. Chances are, ang tawag sa style na yun is parang, it's like doing parang averaging, cost averaging. So, you can, for example, you are buying consistently 50,000 a month. So, there are times na makakabili ka ng mas madaming shares kasi mura. There are times makakabili ka ng mas konting
Okay.
shares kasi mahal. Pero bottom line, pag nakaipon ka na ng for 2 years na tig 50, imagine 600,000 yung 50,000 a month, no? 600,000 per year. So, yung ipon mo pa lang na yun, 1.2 na yun per year, 'di ba? So, dalawang taon, makakabili ka na ng panregalong sasakyan sa paborito mong pamangkin sa Pilipinas. Pero aside from that, meron ka pang dividendo, meron ka pang capital gains,
So that means you're saving, and at the same time, your money is
growing.
growing,
Oo,
and
yeah.
okay. I think
Growing
that
through
would
capital
be,
gains. Capital gains
yeah.
is the difference between your buying and selling. So may gain ka doon. So kung
But
hindi
you're
mo
not gonna
binibenta,
be Oh, sorry, you're not gonna be paying huge taxes out of it. Is that correct?
Taxes is paid upon selling. Nasa
Ah,
selling side ka ng
okay.
taxes. So, if you're not going to sell, walang taxes pa. Pag nagbenta ka, yun, automatic ang taxes. Ang tawag dyan, parang final tax.
Okay.
So, sa capital gains, walang tax. Pero, that's what I know. Pero, ang final tax na kasi tinatax na yung selling mo eh. Selling
Ah,
part.
okay.
Wala kang ligtas doon kasi automatic. So, yun. So, yun, basically that. So, pag kung aaralin mo talaga siya, upuan mo. Pero,
Mm.
ano ba, you are trading and you're talking to a trader, every time mo kakausap mo siya, matututo ka one word at a time. One style at a
Yeah.
time, one trading at a time.
Okay,
So,
okay.
matututo ka. Ganyan. And then, well, eventually, pareho na kayo ng lengguwahe.
Yeah.
Nagkakaintindihan na kayo. So, yung ganon. So, you just have to, kahit pa paano, mag-self-study ka, pwede din naman,
Yeah.
pero huwag mo gagawin na magte-trade or
No.
magte-trade ka, lalo na kapag
When you
mabilis
don't know
ang
anything,
trading,
yeah.
diba? Malulugi ka talaga doon because you don't know what you're doing. Ando doon yung risk. Pinakamalaking risk is when you don't know what you're doing. Yun
Of
yung
course, kahit saan naman, 'di
Oo,
ba?
yung gano'n. Now, actually, okay, so, um, we can probably talk some more, so ibang ibang pagkakataon. Pero that's
Hmm.
not the basic of it. Yung flow, magmula sa registration, paano ka pipili, paano ka magse-settle, yun lang naman muna yung kailangan mo. Tapos,
Okay.
paano ka makikipag-usap sa trader mo, yun. Paano ka bibili ng second stock mo, yun, yung gano'n lang.
At first, very intimidating, ano? Pero once you learn, ang focus is, for me, no, yung mga newbies, focus on what you really want. 'Di ba? Bakit mo 'to papasukin? Ano ba talaga ang gusto mo?
Pera.
'Di ba? Ito yun eh. Ito yung isang klase ng negosyo na wala kang ang alam, pero definitely malulugi ka kahit naman anong negosyo pasukin mo, 'di ba?
Lulugi ka.
As you go into it, maiintindihan mo, malalaman mo. Pero kung ang pinaka um, focus mo is to save something for yourself, 'di ba? On a later time na hindi basta, because there are a lot of people, no, na kumita ng malaki,
Hmm?
nag-save. Kasi pag nag-save ka, nasa bangko lang 'yan. Pagka kinuha mo na, ubos na 'yan na ano mo. Eh
Oh,
samantalang this way of saving, no, investing, your money grows. Pwede mong kuhanin, mag-iiwan ka. Lalaki pa rin siya. Hindi
lalaki pa rin.
totally wala. In short, di ba? Do I understand it well?
Oo. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Ganun yan. Mag-accumulate ka, slowly, slowly. Ganun. That's how you build wealth. Lalo na pag bata pa ka nagsimula.
Matanda na tayo ngayon.
Okay lang yan.
Pero hindi
Mag-enjoy.
pa huli.
Hindi
Hindi
pa
pa
huli.
huli ang lahat.
Mag-enjoy. Marami pang years. Oo. Pag binigyan pa tayo mas mahabang buhay. Anyways. So
Hmm.
yan. Well, close up na natin,
Okay.
ang tawag dyan, i-close na natin yung topic. Pero meron pa tayong gagawin.
Oh, hindi
Para,
pa tapos.
meron kaming konting, ang tawag dyan, game. Ang tawag dyan is, would you rather? Would you rather, it's a mind exercise. It's a fun way of knowing our guest, kahit na konti lang, para,
Okay.
it's fun, okay? Tsaka pag-unwind din pagkatapos na, minsan kasi yung mga uh, guest, medyo nabibindang sila dun sa heavy ng discussion.
Yeah.
Uh,
Kawindang-windang siya.
so, kaya bago ko sila pakawalan, pero pinaparelax ko muna sila sa game na to. Game ka na?
Okay.
So,
Game.
okay. I'd rather be. It's a 2-minute brain game, and it's fun to
Okay.
get to know our inquiring guests. It's a fun way to get to know our
Okay,
inquiring guests.
okay.
So, yung number one mo, okay, ito yung question. Would you rather have a cook or a maid? Hindi mo in-expect yung question.
It's the same. but the other one has a specialty
Oo.
and the other one has general.
Oo, general. Anong mas kailangan mo diyan sa
Ah,
nominator?
if you don't know how to cook, you cook.
Cook ang
But if
gusto
you're
mo.
lazy, the maid.
Parang gusto mo pareho, ah. Dapat yung maid marunong mag-cook.
Yeah.
Okay. So, would you rather be the youngest or the oldest sibling?
Ah, masarap yung youngest, pero mas may responsibility yung eldest.
So, anong gusto mo doon? Isa lang.
Nasa sector ako ng eldest.
Kasi may yung more responsible to. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, so masarap naman maging ano, mas panganay. Okay. Would you rather get rich through hard work or through winning the lottery?
Ayokong tamaan ng kidlat, so hard work.
Hard work na lang? Ayaw mo ng one
Yes.
day billionaire?
Ano kasi yan eh, suntok sa buwan. Lottery is suntok sa buwan.
Oo nga.
You will spend a lot of money trying to get your luck. If you want to have money based on luck, good luck.
Tama. Okay, hard work is better kasi mas sure. Okay. Would you rather have see, I told you, through the questions, medyo lumalabas yung mga principles, di ba? You can get to know the person. Okay. Would you rather have a 10-hour dinner with a headstrong politician from the opposing party? Matindi yun, ha?
Ano yung choice?
Or attend a 10-hour concert for a music group you detest. Parehong ayaw mo.
Music, any form is good. Any form of music is
It's
good.
okay. So,
Politicians are all liars.
kabatuhin tayo dito. Anyways, so gusto mo yung music na lang. Okay.
Oo, kasi less toxic.
Oo, kasi posing kayo eh.
Yeah.
Would you rather be an Olympic gold medalist or a Nobel Peace Prize winner?
Nobel.
Nobel. Kasi parang mas nakakabilib, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather have a desk job or an outdoor job?
Outdoor.
Mas marami may gusto ng outdoor. Okay.
Ano yan? Active ka eh. Desk job, ano ka lang, tunganga.
Oo, no? Brain lang yung gumagalaw. Okay, anyways. Would you rather live at the top of a tall New York City apartment building or at the top of a mountain? Oh,
Mountain.
mountain ang gusto mo.
Yes.
Nature ka talaga. Or would you
Yes.
rather have Rambo or the Terminator on your side?
Rambo.
Rambo. Ang question talaga sa atin to. Yung last na guest ko, tinanong ko to, sabi niya, sino sila? Kasi young pa siya. Hindi ko sila kilala, ma'am. Sabi sa akin.
Kailangan
Sabi,
ipakilala mo.
sabi ko, sorry. Pareho macho yan. Sabi ko, magkaiba lang yung character. So, pero ang kilala
Icon
niya
ng
kasi,
icon.
yung parang machine na ano, Terminator. Okay. Would you rather be proposed to in private or in front of family and friends?
Private.
Private gusto mo. Okay.
Yes. Mas meaningful.
Oh. Okay. So, would you rather have to would you rather hear the good news first or the bad news?
Bad news muna.
Bad news muna.
Reserve natin yung good news.
Okay. Sige, iba-iba talaga din yung mga sagot, no? Ano pa? Would you rather have nosy neighbors or noisy neighbors? Nosy
What is
or
the
noisy?
noisy or?
Nosy or
Nosy?
noisy?
Noisy.
Noisy na lang, no?
Oo.
Okay.
Tawag ka lang ng pulis, tatahimik na yun eh. Yung nosy, hindi mo yun makokontrol eh.
Okay. Would you rather be on a survival reality show or dating game show?
Reality.
Reality na lang. Okay. Uh, would you rather be too busy or be bored?
Busy siyempre.
Busy na lang. Oo, productive ka. Would you rather
Hmm.
watch the big game at home or live at the stadium?
Live.
Ay, mas maganda. O, tamo, de somehow, do, medyo meron kami nakuha about your personality. At saka yung ano mo, di ba, what you want. Anyway, so yun, actually, yung ano, yung mga for our viewers o kung may makaka-view nito kasi naka-post din yung recorded version nito. So, stock market school kasi ang stock market ang Miss Equities is extension ng stock market school for its literacy campaign and stock market school kasi is ano parang ang kanyang mission vision is scam free Philippines through market education. Eto yan siya. Scam-free Philippines through market education. So, kapag yung iba gustong umupo at mag-aral talaga, we have investors course for investing public and brokers course for professionals. So, if you want to talk about it, pwede kayong pumunta dito kay Stock Market School Philippines and you can message us, pwedeng ganyan. Or for people naman who wanted to siguro parang observe lang muna, you can join PSE Investing. This is a group. So,
Okay.
nagpo-post kami diyan ng mga stock market issues, stock market results, listed companies, corporate development news, yung mga economic news, anything about the market. Pwede nyo basa-basahin. Kahit di nyo naintindihan, basa-basahin nyo lang para you can be familiar. Ano ba yung
Okay.
importante sa stock exchange, sa stock market, sa mga investors, mga ganyan. And then, what's this one? We also advocate yung RA 10922 Economic and Financial Literacy Act kasi batas na rin ang financial literacy. Our government recognizes the growth potential of the country through a financially literate people. So yan, sinusupport namin yan. Ano na siya, Republic Act na siya. So, dapat talaga mga tao, mga Pilipino at marunong talaga para iwas
Dapat
scam,
ini-introduce na yan sa mga high school
school.
student. High
Oo,
school
meron sila
student.
pero yung percentage is hindi pa din ganun
Okay.
kataas.
Okay.
And then, what else do we have here? That we we thank you for coming
It's
and
been interesting. Yeah.
oo, pag may mga follow through ka na follow up ka ng mga questions, we can set up, we can invite
Okay.
you again. Tapos meron
And
ka ng listahan ng mga question. Now I'm ready. Ito na yung mga questions ko. Mas mabibigat. Okay. Pwede
yeah.
naman. Ang Miss Equities kasi, although this is for, designed siya for newbies, topic by topic. So they will learn episode by episode. So, but
Okay.
everything is like for beginners. Ganyan. Pero
Marami
hindi.
ako natutunan.
Oo. Buti naman. Okay, okay. Tapos, what is this? We have here ito yung mga social media accounts ng stock markets ng Miss
Okay.
Equities sa stock market school. So maybe you may want to support that para kasama
Okay.
namin kayo sa pag-support ng financial literacy sa Pilipinas. And
Okay.
with that, ngayon lang yata ako sumakto sa oras. So So with that, I want to tell you, join us again in another financial advocacy,
Sure.
and join us in our please subscribe to Miss Equities FB and YouTube channel, and see you again next Friday. Usually 3 to 4 to but then again sa Toronto madaling araw dyan. Kaya nag-adjust kami ng 9 o'clock para sa
Oh,
iyo.
thank you. Thank you for the chance.
Tulog ka pa. Yes. Yes. Tsaka kasi maaga pa rin naman dito, 9 o'clock pa lang din naman gabi.
Okay.
So yon. So guys, remember if you know better, you can trade better. Yun yung aming tagline. Okay. So for
Okay.
now, yeah, we say goodbye and thank you very much for watching if you're watching.
Maraming salamat for the
Salamat.
effort.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.